Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my new video. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath FX YouTube channel, and this is Poco X3 custom ROM reviews. You can see here, this is a Miui Mint edition. Let me show you this. As you can see, Miui Mint Gates edition GL 14.0.1, Miui 14.0.1. based on this it is, and you can see info, hardware and processor used, and Android security update. I mean the security patch here is February 2023. And if I go into info specs, you can see the Android version is still here 12. Based on Android 12 only, this ROM has been done, the Miui 14.0.1 Mint edition this is. And after a long time we are seeing this edition for Poco X3/NFC. You can see the kernel used here is 4.14.190. Perf kernel has been used here, and this is how the typical settings panel looks like. It's a little bit quicker in my opinion. Even the Miui EU edition was a little bit slower compared to this one. I am saying little bit, make the sense of that. And this is how the typical app drawer and those all settings will show you. One bug I have noticed is you won't get any -1 screen here, even if you enable or disable, or if you want to change that, whatever you do, you won't get that -1 screen. And this is the typical quick settings panel you get. As you can see, all the toggles are working fine here. In the edit section you won't get any options. These are the options available, and from here you can directly move into settings here. And I have been running the CPU throttling test from last 15 minutes and 1 milliseconds. You can see this is the 100 thread test case, and you can see the maximum score of 197 and average is 157 and minimum of 118. It says throttle to 68% of its max performance. There is a little bit of throttling happening after 6-7 minutes, and after 10 minutes it getting more throttled compared to previous one according to this app. But in a day-to-day usage I haven't faced any throttling issues in this particular ROM. If you found any, let me know in the comment section. Also, I was running the Geekbench 6. I did not found the Geekbench 5 application from Play Store, hence this is the Geekbench 6 score 703, single score and multi score is 1808, and kernel user is Linux 4.14.190, and this is an Android 12 based ROM. Now AnTuTu benchmark results, you can see here the app opening time also you can judge. Meanwhile, you can see 3,58,824 is the score I got, and 4 degrees Celsius has been raised during this testing, and 3% of battery has been dropped during this entire testing of AnTuTu benchmark result in Miui Mint 14.0.1 Garage edition. And DRM information, again no need to worry about that. You get level 1 certified, hence you can watch all the OTT application in high definition resolution. That's not the problem here. And safety and status, here you will be a little bit of disappointed, but you can make that fix using magic. As you can see, CTS profile match get failed, hence the entire safety and status get failed. In order to use the payment applications, you need to make the Play Store certified. In order to make that, you need to flash through magics. I made a dedicated video and lot more videos regarding that. You can check out in my channel, or if you can search through YouTube search, just type Magix models Sampath FX Poco X, you get a video on that, how to use Magix models in Poco X3. I have also shown the Miui Leica camera installation video in my channel. Check out those videos. I'll be giving in the description. Also you can check out through search method. And if you are first time to this channel, hit that subscribe button down below, and also allow that bell notification by pressing the bell icon. Whenever I upload a new videos, you'll get notified. Not only that guys, I will be making live streams in my channel. In order to get those live streams, you need to subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification. And if you like the video, give it a like. And I have like 100 Mbps fiber connection here. You can see it's pulling up to 90 to 95 Mbps, which is fine here. And even with mobile data connection, I haven't faced any issues. It's fine, no need to worry regarding those things. It's working fine. Carrier aggregation support is also there. Now moving into dialer, you can see here direct video call feature is available. Call recording feature is also available. It will not announce the other person that you are recording the call. Proper Miui dialer you will be getting here, and even messages also. And gallery, here I have disappointment because you won't get any Miui 14 features. As you can see, there is no recognize text feature. And if I go into edit also, let me show this one. Okay, if I go into edit, it will download the plugin. Let's wait for that. But those features are simply missing here, the MIUI 14. You can watch my shorts videos. There I explained each and every MIUI 14 videos, and you can watch even the EU ROM, MIUI EU ROM based on same 14.0.1 edition is available in my channel. If you watch more and more videos, you will get all the doubts gets clarified. Instead of asking me and commenting me and waiting for 12 to 24 hours, it's not required. Instead of that, just watch 10 minutes or 15 minutes or even 20 minutes video. You will get all your doubts cleared. Okay, call recorded will be seen here. If you go into edit section, as you can see, you get all the options here. If I go into something like sky, the AI will get download. Even erase feature is also available. Stickers, those are available. Just the video editor and the other options like text, recognize text feature is simply missing in this particular ROM. And if I go into show you this screen recording options, again you get options up to resolutions only 1080p, video quality up to 100 mbps, orientation you can choose them, sound source you can choose either system, mic, or you can mute the sounds. You can't record both the audio from this inbuilt sound record. In order to use that, you need to use a third party from Play Store. Fixed frame rate options are given. Again, it's up to 90 fps has been given here, which is good thing. Lock screen to end is given. Show touch gestures and show button taps will be working fine. This is how the sound recorded pre-included in this particular ROM. Now file manager is also typical file manager. You won't get any difference here. That's fine. And if I go into settings, again the UI is very smooth. Even it is better than MIUI EU, I can say, slightly, not more. And wallpapers and personalization, again you get all the MIUI 14 wallpapers. If I go into library, as you can see, MIUI 14 wallpapers have been included here. And icons you can change, and other always on display, there is a dedicated option for that. If you want, you can use the always on display, but it will drain the battery because this is the LCD panel. Apply, you can choose here. If you want to keep it always, it will consume more battery. Let me show you that always on display, will it work or not. Let's check this out. Okay, it's getting unlocked. Okay, as you can see, this is how the always on display works. Double tap to wake I turned on, but it is not working. Okay, however the face unlock is very quick here. And that's how it is, the always on display you can see. And lock screen, you get options here. Rest to wake is turned off. If you want, you can do that. Lock screen clock format and device charging animation after device is unlocked, you can enable here. These are the options you get here. Now moving into display, again light mode, dark mode, switching between them is quite fine here, and you get these options. Individual apps also you can select from here. And reading mode has been given here, you can choose that and even schedule it out. Even the dark mode I'll show you, it can be schedule it out, as you can see. Refresh rate, again you get only 6120 option, and other things you can see on the screen. Notification and control center, here also nothing change has been noticed here. And if I go into additional settings, you get memory extension up to only 2 GB, not a 113 base ROM it is, it's a 112 base ROM. What I really liked about this MIUI Mint 14.0.1 is the battery. You can see, if you are looking for a very good battery life in MIUI custom ROMs, then this is a very good custom ROM, I can say. It was around 60% or like that while I flashed this ROM, but it's still having 56%. I installed all the applications and run the benchmark results and use a little bit of time the smartphone. The ideal battery drain is only 1%. If you keep it whole night, it will drain only 1%. You get both balance and performance mode. Use them according to your usage. Don't use save battery and ultra battery saver. Only when you have emergency, then you can use that. Don't turn this on and keep it your smartphone idly, it will drain a lot more battery. Other features like floating windows has been given. Other than that, you won't find any new options. It's just a MIUI Mint edition. Again, if you want to use it as a daily driver, you can use that, and make sure that safety and status you can make it out passed using the magic model in order to use the payment application. But if you don't use that, then you can directly flash this ROM and use it as a daily driver. And let's see BGMI how it handles, and I'll also showing the camera application. I forgot to show that. Let's see what are the graphic settings we get. You guys might get disappointed with the performance. As you can see, smooth plus ultra options only, but actually it is having only 40 fps only, but you can enable using magic models again. 1690. This is a very good gaming RAM. In fact, it handles performance very well. The kernel used and the performance modes available here. Okay, I went away from boot camp. Let's do one thing. I'll go for this Python, and the gameplay experience you get very good here. That's what I want to say you guys. Don't just see the frame rate available in the ROM, out of the ROM. If you know how to increase the FPS, then it will be. Even you can use GFX tool also, but this is BGML, a long old version. It was launched during September of 2022. Now we are in March 2023. Use PUBG Mobile gameplay and some other games. The performance will be next level using this ROM. Once you flash this ROM and use those games what I said before now, then you will notice that what I said. That's how it is. As you can see, there is no frame drops any. But if you play couple of hours with 90 FPS, it might get you frame drops after overheating. I mean, a little bit getting warm. That's how it is. It's fine actually. And if you want to use it as a gaming ROM also, you can use this as a gaming ROM also. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll come back here and show you the camera application. Here you get Leica integrated camera, which is good thing in my opinion. As you can see, Leica authentic and vibration, portrait mode, all the things are working. All these options like movie effects are also added here. Even sticker avatars are also going to work here. Now if you use the sticker avatars, the camera get force closed here. I'll close that. Okay, let me do one thing, and these are the recents. I will show you this in the home screen settings. As you can see, you can arrange them in iOS style. Once I go into home screen, as you can see, you get your default launcher, the Miui system launcher. Animation speed, you can keep it relaxed, balance. I kept fast. You can adjust the rate also. If you want to disable them, you can disable from here. Again, system navigation, you can go back to buttons if you want that. I kept for gestures. The pill length is slightly visible. Home screen, again you can keep all these three options. Nothing new here. And double tap to lock screen has been enabled. And if I go into old widgets provider, if you want you can do that. And app title on one line, icons again you do that, and background color like a monet settings you can enable from here. Global icon animations and arrange items and recent, as I said before, vertical and iOS style you can enable from here. And you can also increase or decrease this landscape mode and task size and other things you can add from here. These are the home screen customizations you get in this particular ROM, which is good thing. And I was showing the camera. Okay, let's open again. The only thing is you don't use that sticker avatars. Apart from that, all the features are going to work fine. That's how it is. If you want to use any gcam port, that is also possible with this particular ROM. That's how guys, this is a daily driver ROM. If you can find out as a good ROM, you can go ahead and flash this ROM. All the Miui features are working fine. Expect good gaming also, and the gallery could have been updated to Miui 14. But anyhow, it's a very good all-round ROM. You can use it as a daily driver. The battery life is also very good here. So keep in mind these things, that safety and status you need to manually pass, and you need to manually increase the high FPS count. Overall ROM is fine, good, even better than Miui, slightly better. That's how it is, and we'll meet you with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.